Welcome everyone, welcome in my channel Let Us Learn with Hema Dati. Today we are going to derive a formula for total surface area and lateral surface area of a cuboid and cube. So without further delay, let's start. Total surface area of a cuboid. We know a cuboid has 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. We also know that opposite sides of a cuboid are exactly equal and most of the time they are rectangular in shape. So, opposite faces of a cuboid are identical, so they will have equal areas. We can write length, width and height. The sides which are on the plane, we can take the longer side on the plane as length and the shorter side as width, and the edge which is standing vertically, we can take it as height. So if you remove all the sides of the cuboid, you will see top and bottom, which is exactly same. Two side faces, they are also exactly same, and front and back, which is also exactly same. So total we will get 6 faces. So total surface area of a cuboid is actually the sum of the areas of all these 6. So if A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6 are the areas of rectangles, then their sum will be the total surface area of the cuboid. So each shape is a rectangle, so the product of two dimensions of each rectangle will be the area of each rectangle. So we can write LB plus LB plus BH plus BH plus LH plus LH. It is the area for each rectangle. So if you add them, it will be 2 times LB, 2 times BH plus 2 times LH. We can take 2 common. Then the total surface area of a cuboid, the formula will be 2 times in bracket LB plus BH plus LH square units. Now we'll see the lateral surface area of a cuboid or area of 4 walls. Here we will not include the area of top and area of bottom, or we can say area of ceiling and area of floor. So area of only 4 sides, which is 2 sides and front and back. So the sum of the areas of all these 4 rectangles will be the lateral surface area of cuboid. We can write area of 4 walls, area of A3, A4, A5 and A6 here in this figure. They all are rectangles, so their areas will be LH plus LH plus BH plus BH. 2LH plus 2BH, we can write 2H common, L plus B inside the bracket, square units is the area of 4 walls or lateral surface area of a cuboid. Let us derive formula for the total surface area of a cube. So you can see it is a shape of a cube, and a cube has 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges, and each face of a cube is a square in shape. A cube has 6 exactly same faces which are square in shape. So the total surface area of a cube will be the sum of the area of each face of the cube, which is a square. There are 6 faces and each face is a square. So total surface area of a cube is equal to sum of the areas of all the faces. Each face is a square, so the area of each face will be a square. We can write a square plus 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 a square. Total 6 times we can write a square. We can also write 6 times a square or 6 times side square units. Now, lateral surface area of a cube. Again, lateral means the area of only 4 walls or 4 sides of the cube. So here we can write area of 4 walls of a cube or lateral surface area of a cube is 4a square or 4 times side whole square units. Thank you for watching and learning. Do like, share and subscribe if it helps you.